A very good afternoon to all of you, dear listeners. Dear friends, today I have to talk about the importance of English. And many of the videos I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel. You all can watch this. In the description box, I will provide the link of all those who are beneficial for you all. But today's my topic is how to overcome your hesitation during speaking in public in front of the people. So it's my topic, but you can say in easy language, a phobia of English speaking in public. So today I have to talk about this, and this is a common problem. This problem was with me too when I was learning in the initial point. But slowly I tried and followed many of the steps by whom I removed and overcome anxiety and speaking hesitation in front of the public. But with the bliss of Almighty God, I am comfortable to speak. No problem. But first of all, I have to know what is speech delivery. This is the basic, because speech delivery is not occurred in the single way in front of 1, 2, 3 people, but it has been delivered in the among of a public towards audience, and lot of the people are available there. Then you are going to deliver there. So first of all, I have to know the meaning of what is speech delivery. Speech delivery is a kind of term that is defined when you have researched about any topic and you want to express your conclusion in front of the public or people. That is called speech delivery. Either whatever you have learned, whatever you have know about anything, then you have to share all those in front of the public. That is called speech delivery. Whatever you are pronouncing, that would be part of your speech delivery. So this is the basic part of that. And now before following all these steps, you have to be aware about overcoming anxiety. What is this overcoming anxiety? It's mean when you are going to speak in public, you have to be first of all normal and say all is well. I can say, don't say I am uncomfortable to say, because until you will not be comfort, you will not be suitable way to say anything else. Before going, you will be in the normal way to say, otherwise you will be stressed there, you will be uncomfortable to express your ideas. So be normal and be communicated with your friends, with your and be rapid with others. When you will be rapid, your communication will be shared by others, then you will be comfortable there, and next time you will be also ready for that time to be delivered your talk. So overcome anxiety, remove everything. Misconception should not be available in your mind that I cannot do, but every positive thinking should be available in your mind that I can do. When other body can do, then why I can't do? Surely I can do. Then be perfect in your intention. Now next one is prepare your content carefully. What is this? When you are preparing content to deliver a speech among the public, you have to be smart. It doesn't matter how long you study. It doesn't matter how long you prepare content, but it matters how you prepare your content. How smartly you start learning your content to be effective in front of the public. It matters. So be smart and try to conclude and collect all those points who are necessary to be delivered in front of the public. And don't waste too much of time. And you can say that I was learning 3 hours, 4 hours, I was remembering, I was recalling, I was practicing 3 hours, 4 hours. These are nothing. But how smartly you are preparing, that would be effective for all those listeners, your audience, whatever you will be delivering there in front of them. So be smart and be careful when you are going to start your preparation, when you are going to collect your note points, whatever you have to deliver there. Now next is faces. You should be friendly. What is this? This is you have listened and watched many of the speakers on social media. When they came on dais, they keep a smile on their faces. Why? Because they attract the audience. If you will do this, then your audience will be attracted towards you. And if you keep on your face a sad position, sad motion, your audience will be disturbed and they will be irritated to listen to you. So don't follow this and keep a smile on your face and think that every audience they are available are your friends, are your fan. They want to listen to you and give you them your best by whom they can achieve your target, they can achieve your mean, they can achieve your points, and they may be your perfect fan and listener. So be careful and keep a smiling face at the time of delivering, at the time of saying anything else. Now next one is, and that is very important, you have to follow. Either if you are destroying, either if you are not understanding the concepts and situation of setting the tone. Next one is setting the tone. What is setting the tone? Setting the tone is the speaker whatever wants to say. The mood of speaker is dependent whatever he is going or she is going to say. Suppose you are going to say something at the time of wedding, but you started to talk at the situation of funeral. Then you have to be aware or know the time of happiness, the time of sadness, the time of mourning, what situation is going there. According to the situation, you will have to create environment there by whom the listeners, by whom the audience, by whom the available presented person there may be effective by your speaking. So understand the situation. Setting the tones should be perfect according to the situation, by whom the audience may be your fan, follower and be perfect listeners. By that they can call you next time because they are impressed by your speaking. So be aware about this. And last but not least, use appropriate and sensitive sentences and words. The sentences should be proper, easy. The sentences should not be ambiguity by whom the listener should not be understand. Languages should be easy, as I am speaking here easy. Many of the little bit English knowledgeable person, they are getting my point because I am using very easy language. Because listening is a kind of very basic point, and beginner they also follow the way of listening. Many of the beginner listener called and texted me that sir, I'm getting your points because you are speaking very slowly and your language is very easy. Because I like to share my ideas, I like to share my content, I like to share whatever I want to say to be shared to all those who are interested to listen me. So these all are the basic requirements to all those who are facing difficulty in front of the public to speak. They are anxiety to say, then follow all these steps. In the court of Almighty God, I say, surely everything will be solved. If you are first here, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. In the description box, I have given my website. You all can visit there and learn many of the articles I have wrote in English, and by those you can get advantage. And in the description box, I have given Telegram link and you all can join there. Further details I will provide there too. Then thank you. See you again.